कभी कोई ऐसा जगह गए हैं जो आपको बार बार जाने के लिए मजबूर कर दे? नॉर्थ के पहाड़ों के बारे में आप सब ने सुना ही होगा एंड कश्मीर का नाम आप सब जानते ही हैं। लेकिन अथिरापल्ली देखने के बाद मुझे पहला बार पता लगा कि केरला को क्यों गॉड्स ओन कंट्री बोला जाता है। Athirappilly Waterfall is in the Western Ghats of India. So let's take a deep dive into the Athirappilly Waterfalls. So hello, अभी हम लोग कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट पे हैं. So the first flight will be from Kolkata to Kochi. 5:30 बजे का फ्लाइट है एंड वी विल रीच अराउंड 8 PM. 2.5 घंटे का फ्लाइट होने वाला है एंड वी हैव बुक्ड इंडिगो एयरलाइंस. अभी 8 बज रहे हैं, हम लोग कोची एयरपोर्ट पहुंच चुके हैं. सो नाउ वी आर ड्राइविंग फ्रॉम कोची टू Athirappilly. The Athirappilly is around 70 kilometers northeast of Kochi. It will take around 2 to 3 hours by the car, and we are driving through now to the dense forest of Vulchal, which covers around 490 square kilometers in Chalkuddi Taluk. We are now seeing the rubber trees all around, and it will take around 1 hour from here to reach our destination. So the room of the hotel which you are seeing right now is the Athirappilly Rainforest Hotel. It has only 9 rooms, so if you want to book this hotel, you have to book it much beforehand because there is a long waiting generally. It takes around 26,000 for one night stay. You can book it directly or book from anywhere you like, and the rooms, the hygienes, their hospitality, everything is perfect. So if some of you have by chance stayed in this hotel, you can share your views and comments, and I would love to hear from you. Welcome to my channel. Right now I am at the Athirappilly Rainforest Hotel. There's the Athirappilly Falls. As you can see, it's called the Little Niagara of India. It's 60 feet height, and now is the monsoon season. Now is the best time to visit over there. So the main time is June and July because now is monsoon. So you will be having a mesmerizing look of the falls. And what I have been provided is the food from the home style Kerala food. It looks so delicious, and now I'm going to taste it. I'm very hungry, and let's see how it goes. Hey guys, once again, good morning. I am at the Athirappilly Rainforest Hotel right now. I'll be checking out now, and as you can see, I'll show you the Athirappilly Waterfalls. It's a very nice view, very scenic beauty over there. This is the hotel where I was staying. It's very nice, and the food and everything is very good, and it's a must visit place, you know. Once a while you should come over here. Now I'll be proceeding to Wand, and it will take around 6 hours. I hope Wand will also be as good as Athirappilly, but the nature over here is fantastic. Every year I'm planning to get back to Athirappilly.